This is a waterfall from the outside. This is Indian Falls in Ontario. Hey guys, it's winter here in Canada. I'm inside a waterfall right now. This is literally one of the coolest things I've ever done. Maybe not the safest, but it looks pretty solid in here anyway. And it's really freaking cool. You can see all the frozen water in here turned to ice. You know, because that's what ice is, frozen water. All along the walls and everything. I'm sorry, I had to do this. This is amazing. Just another example of God's beautiful creation. Next time I'm wearing spikes, so it is slippery. Yeah, so you can see outside. My fiance's up there somewhere, but I can't see her. She's probably wondering where I am. Just listen to it too, isn't that beautiful? Well, thank you for joining me on this crazy adventure. Like I said, one of the coolest things I've done. Talk to you later. Bye guys.